Welcome to this tutorial on NumPy array attributes. Today, we're going to explore the ndim property, which is essential for understanding the structure of NumPy arrays. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to determine the number of dimensions in any array. So what exactly is ndim? Ndim is an attribute that returns the number of dimensions, also called axes, of a NumPy array. It's a simple yet powerful property that tells you how many dimensions your array has. Think of it as a way to understand the shape complexity of your data structure. Arrays can have different numbers of dimensions. A one-dimensional array, like a simple list, has ndim equal to 1. We call this a vector, which has a single axis. A two-dimensional array, similar to a table or matrix, has ndim equal to 2 with rows and columns. A three-dimensional array has ndim equal to 3 and is often called a tensor, used for more complex data like images or video frames. The syntax for using ndim is straightforward. You simply write your array name, followed by a dot, and then ndim. Notice that ndim is an attribute, not a method, so you don't need parentheses after it. This makes it quick and easy to check your array's dimensionality. Let's look at a practical example with a one-dimensional array. First, we import NumPy as np, then we create a one-dimensional array called a rr1d containing the values 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. When we print a rr1d.ndim, the output is 1, confirming that this is a one-dimensional array. Now let's examine a two-dimensional array. We create a rr2d using nested brackets. The outer brackets contain two inner lists, 1, 2, 3 in the first row, and 4, 5, 6 in the second row. When we print a rr2d.ndim, we get 2 as the output, indicating this is a two-dimensional array with rows and columns. For a three-dimensional array, the structure becomes more nested. We create a rr3d with multiple levels of brackets. This array contains two 2x2 matrices stacked together. The first matrix has 1, 2 in the first row and 3, 4 in the second row. The second matrix has 5, 6 in the first row and 7, 8 in the second row. Printing a rr3d.ndim returns 3, confirming we have a three-dimensional array. Let's recap the key points. First, ndim returns the number of array dimensions as an integer value. Second, it's a read-only attribute, not a method, so you access it without parentheses. Third, understanding ndim is essential for working with NumPy arrays because it helps you understand your data structure. Thank you for watching, and happy coding.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.